Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your various folders on your Mac, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you compress a folder with Mac into a zip file? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to compress a folder into a zip file with your Mac? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes if you're uploading software onto a platform to be automatically distributed, sometimes the file is really big, so it's better to compress it into a zip file. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac Finder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Finder and I pulled up a couple of files here. Now, if you want to compress a folder into a zip file, what you're going to do is just find it in your Mac. So for example, this one right here. And all you're going to do is just click on the folder. Once you clicked on the folder, you're going to right click. Once you right click, you're going to scroll down until you see this button here called compress. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, it's going to compress that file into a zip file, as you can see right here. So it's basically the same as this folder, but off to the right, you can see it's zip. Now, if you want to compress more than one folder together, you can go ahead and click on one and then command and click on the other one. Now both of them are highlighted, and then it's basically the same process to turn it into a zip file. Right click, click on compress right here. And as you can see, it's going to combine both of these folders into a zip file with your Mac. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to compress a file or a folder inside your Mac into a zip file, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.